how do leading indicators like alert volume or volatility shape downstream metrics like cycle time based on your experience?
Well, if you're not managing it effectively, there's going to be a spike of alerts that come in, and then you're going to tell everybody work harder, and they're going to, cut corners to work the queue down to zero, which doesn't help anybody. How we think about it is we need to have people on hand that we can pull in, so that we can handle the increase in volume with additional throughput, not with just telling people work harder. So that's the key there, is be aware of your available capacity, be aware of the seasonality, and then prepare for spikes anyway, because cybersecurity, this stuff doesn't happen. Like we don't get to set the tempo, the attackers do.
Absolutely. And then when it comes to something like, I'm sure many people listening have seen the story before, which is vendor pushes a SIG that actually blows up and alerts on everything. It's alerting on a file hash for a browser or something like that. And so having the right levers to pull quickly to diagnose this is what's arriving, making the queue volatile, and being able to, with technology, also address it if that's what it is. If it's something that needs manual action, being able to pull in additional resources to do it quickly and having those processes set up ahead of time, because when it's happening, it's too late to make a plan. Having the plan ahead of time is an important aspect.
Absolutely.